Hello everyone, it's Mrs. St. Clair, your math queen, where I like to keep math simple and take it back to the basics. Let's keep going with Objective 17, our multi-step word problems dealing with ratios. We're going to be using our proportional reasoning in solving Objective 17 and our expression and equation understanding. So let's get into Erica. So, for example number 3, we are going to be taking an item, which in this case is going to be a photo, and we're going to be changing the dimensions of the photo. So let's talk about this. Erica prints a picture at home using a computer software. We all do that. The photo she prints has a length of 16 inches and a width of 9 inches. That's some important information. We are going to go ahead and box that. Has a length of 16 inches and we have a width of 9 inches. Erica decides to print the picture smaller. So our answers, this is kind of a test-taking tip. We see that she wants the picture smaller. So we know that the length and the width in our answers here have to be smaller values than 16 and 9. So just off of that information, we can do some elimination. We know that the length is 16 inches, and because the picture is going to be smaller, we can eliminate A, and we can eliminate, well, just A right now, because A is the only one that has a length that is bigger than 16 inches, or I should say longer than 16 inches. So we can go ahead and eliminate A. And I'm going to eliminate A because of the simple text. Or I shouldn't say simple. Let's say powerful text. Now, the text also states that the ratio of the size of the new picture to that of the original picture is 1.5 to 2. New picture to original picture is 1.5 to 2. It wants us to find what is the length and the width of the new picture. Remember, both of those new values are going to be smaller in size, smaller than 16 and smaller than 9, because the text told us so. All right, so we're going to identify the ratio order. So right in our text, we know that the ratio order is new to old, or new to original. And that order is 1.5 to 2. We're going to also identify the length and the width of the photo, the actual inches. The length is 16 inches and the width is 9 inches. So what we're going to do to solve for all of these responses is I'm going to keep it very simple. Look at your order of your ratio, 1.5 to 2. What you're going to do is you are going to multiply by the first number in the ratio and divide by the second for each of these values, length and width. So simply multiply by 1.5, divide by 2. That is a constant when you're dealing with example number 3. Always multiply by the first number in the ratio order and divide by the second. So 16 times 1.5 divided by 2 is 12 inches for the length. And the width is 9 inches times 1.5 divided by 2, which is 6.75 inches. So our answer is D. It is that simple. Multiply, then divide, using the exact inches of the original photo that they give you in the text. Take care.